હેલો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, યુનિટ 3ના ભાગ 3માં આપનું સ્વાગત છે. તમે ટોપીવાળો અને વાંદરાની વાર્તા તો સાંભળી જ હશે. રાઇટિંગ વિભાગમાં તે વાર્તાને લગતા ચિત્રો આપેલ છે અને પોઈન્ટ્સ પણ આપેલ છે, જેના આધારે આપણે વાર્તા બનાવવાની છે. તો ચાલો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, સૌ પ્રથમ ચિત્રો જોઈને પોઈન્ટ્સ વાંચી લઈએ અને પછી વાર્તા બનાવીએ. અ કેપ સેલર, one village to another jungle. Tired, asleep, monkeys. Bag of caps came down, took caps. Monkeys wearing caps. Woke up, empty bag. Idea threw down his own cap. Monkeys copied, collected his caps. Once there was a cap seller. He sold caps from one village to another. One day, he was going through a jungle. He was tired and sat under a tree. Soon he fell asleep. Some monkeys lived on the tree. They came down, opened his bag of caps and took the caps. When the cap seller woke up, he saw his bag was empty. He looked up and saw the monkeys wearing his caps. The cap seller thought of an idea. He took off his own cap and threw it down. The monkeys also copied him and threw down their caps. The cap seller quickly collected all his caps and went away happily. હવે આપણે મગર અને વાંદરાની વાર્તાનું વાંચન કરીએ. તેમાં સૂચના આપી છે. Here is a story. Provide the beginning of the story. Take help of the words from the bracket. કૌંસમાં આપેલા શબ્દોનો ઉપયોગ કરીને ખાલી જગ્યા પૂરીશું. A monkey, friends, river, a crocodile, jamun tree. તો પહેલી ખાલી જગ્યા છે. This is a ખાલી જગ્યા, તો ત્યાં આવશે river. બીજી ખાલી જગ્યા lives in the river, તો જવાબ આવશે a crocodile. There is a jamun tree on the bank of the river. ચોથી ખાલી જગ્યા a monkey lives on that jamun tree. અને પાંચમી ખાલી જગ્યા the monkey and the crocodile became friends. હવે આગળની વાર્તા આપણે વાંચીએ. The monkey gives sweet jamuns to his friend. The crocodile gives the jamuns to his wife. She thinks that the jamuns are very sweet. The monkey eats jamuns daily. His liver must be sweeter than the jamuns. She wants to eat the monkey's liver. So the crocodile invites the monkey for dinner at his house. The monkey sits on the crocodile's back. On the way, the crocodile shares his real plan that his wife wants to kill him and eat his liver. The monkey is clever. He quickly makes a plan. He says, "Oh, I will be happy to serve it to Bhabhi, but I have forgotten it on the tree. Let's go back and bring my liver." They go back to the bank. The monkey jumps up the tree and saves his life. He says to the crocodile, "Mr. Fool, does a liver remain separate from the body?" ત્યારબાદ બે મિત્રો વિશેની વાત આપી છે, જેમાં સૂચના આપી છે. Here is a story of two friends. There are three endings of the story given. Select the end which you like and write the whole story. આ વાર્તાનું વાંચન કરીને છેલ્લે વાર્તાના 3 અંત આપેલા છે. તેમાંથી તમને જે પસંદ પડે તે અંત લખીને વાર્તા પૂર્ણ કરવાની છે. તો ચાલો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આપણે આ વાર્તાનું વાંચન કરીએ. Once upon a time, In a small village, there were two friends, Mira and Ria. They had grown up together, attending the same primary school, playing in the same dusty playground, and sharing the same dreams. But their lives were very different. Mira came from a wealthy family. Her life was full of all the comforts and luxuries. Ria, on the other hand, came from a poor family where every day was a struggle for food also. They were friends, but Mira often looked down on Ria. She would make hurting remarks about Ria's worn out clothes and the small, humble house. Ria, with her gentle heart, never said a word in return. She silently endured Mira's insults. She believed that these are small things. They should not affect their relations. Year passed and the two friends grew up. Mira got married into a wealthy family in the city, but her new life was not easy. Her in-laws were cruel and rough. Her life became miserable. She felt trapped and alone. Money was of no use to her. Meanwhile, Ria worked hard, determined to change the situation of the family. She studied hard, went to law college, and finally became a prominent lawyer in the city. Her reputation as a brilliant lawyer spread quickly. She had a lot of money now. One day, while working in her office, Ria received a call from an old acquaintance. It was Mira, the once proud and haughty girl was now broken, pleading for help. Her voice vibrated as she explained her situation. She requested her to help her. તેમાં પહેલો અંત આપ્યો છે એટલે કે એન્ડિંગ્સ આપ્યું છે. Ria remembered the old days. Mira insulted her many times. She reminded her of those days and cut the phone. Mira apologized, but Ria was in no mood to listen to her. બીજો એન્ડિંગ આપ્યો છે. Without a moment's wait, Ria agreed. She held no grudge against Mira. She remembered the bond playing and laughing together. Ria took on Mira's case and fought to protect her rights. She brought out Mira from the worst situation. The court punished the in-laws for their behavior. She guided her towards a new beginning. In the end, Mira realized the true value of friendship. She apologized for her past behavior. Ria simply smiled and said, "True friendship is not about wealth or status. It's about being there for each other no matter what." વાર્તાનો ત્રીજો અંત આપેલો છે. Without a moment's wait, Ria agreed. She held no grudge against Mira. She remembered the bond playing and laughing together. Ria took on Mira's case and fought to protect her rights. She brought out Mira from the worst situation. Ria forgave her in-laws for their behavior. તો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આ વિડીયો જો તમને પસંદ આવ્યો હોય તો વિડીયોને લાઈક કરજો, મિત્રો સાથે શેર કરજો અને ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરજો. આવજો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો.